In 1930, a small Inuit village near Angikuni Lake in Canada was found completely abandoned. What's shocking is that everything was left behind. Houses were empty, fires were still smoldering, and even food was left cooking in pots. The village dogs were found, frozen and hungry, yet there were no people anywhere. Nearby graves were found opened, but the bodies were missing. The local authorities investigated, but they couldn't find a single clue. No footprints, no struggle, nothing at all. Even experienced hunters in the area were baffled. Some theories suggest the villagers might have been taken by a natural disaster, but there were no signs of flooding, storms, or avalanches. Others believe it could have been an unknown predator or even extraterrestrial activity because the disappearance was so sudden and mysterious. Over the years, writers and paranormal researchers have tried to uncover the truth, but the mystery of Angikuni Lake remains unsolved to this day. Imagine waking up one morning and an entire town just vanished without a trace. History is full of strange and unexplained events like this, and we bring them to you every day. If you want to see more mind-blowing and mysterious facts, don't forget to subscribe to FactStorm and like this video.